Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we, the students of 7th D and E, gather to pay tribute to Sir Ratan Tata, a man whose leadership, integrity, and values have left an enduring legacy. His unwavering commitment to ethical business practices, social responsibility, and community welfare has inspired millions, both in India and around the world. Ratan Tata has shown us the power of humility, compassion, and vision. As we remember and honor his contributions today, let us reflect on the lasting impact of his values and how they continue to guide and inspire us all. We would like to extend our sincerest apologies for any expectations of entertainment or fun you may have had for today's assembly. While we had hoped to create a lively atmosphere, the focus of this gathering is to honor the legacy of Sir Ratan Tata. Before we start with the assembly, let us honor Mother India with a prayer.